Today we're making chicken adobo. We'll be using 750 grams of chicken drumsticks, so these are 8 pieces. Let's start with our marinade. So I have in here 6 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 tablespoon of muscovado sugar, and to that we'll be adding 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. We'll also be adding cracked pepper, not that much. So dissolve the brown sugar. Okay, then set that aside. Next, let's season our drumsticks with salt and pepper. Season on both sides. Next, in a hot pan, add some oil. Then sear your drumsticks. Okay, after about 2.5 minutes, let's check. Okay. So this is already a good sear. You can flip the drumstick over. And sear the other side. Okay, after another 2.5 minutes on the other side, we're done searing the other side as well. At this point, you can lower the heat. Add in 3 bay leaves and add in your marinade. Then top it up with water. That's about 2 cups of water. I'll add in another cup of water. Okay, just enough to cover the meat. Okay, once this boils, lower the heat. Then cover. And let's let this simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes. After simmering for 45 minutes, we're left with this. The sauce has reduced and the chicken should be really tender by now, so we can switch off the heat. Okay, now let's taste. So as you can see, we can separate the meat from the bone really easily. That meat is so tender. It's got some of the meat and the sauce. The meat is really tender and the sauce has reduced and the flavors are now more concentrated. And this is best paired with rice. And we're done for the day.